It's snowing today, but that's not going to stop us to go and replace a water pump today. This is the job today. The water pump on this Cadillac GTS. It melted. The drive pulley here for the camshaft and the tensioner pulley, and probably the water pump pulley too, because well, looks like this this belt here is also bad. What happens on these is that the pulley, the bearing and the pulley on the water pump, it locks up because there is a bearing in there, and it locks up, so then it stops working. And on some cars, like on Fords, the belt snaps. So there's a new pulley for the tensioner and a new pulley for the camshaft. That's like the drive pulley for the water pump belt that is connected to the camshaft. So that's what I'm working on today. It's snowing today, so gotta hurry with this, get it done as soon as possible. This is the crappy engineering of Chevrolet. Gasket all the way down here, way up here. There's another one here, and there's another one down here. So this thing, you gotta take all of this off just to get to the water pump, which is on the back here. This is a 5-hour job just to replace the water pump. These two bolts and this bolt are the hardest to get to. You gotta use a wrench to get to those and turn them with a wrench. It takes a long time. The job that was supposed to take about 5 hours took more than that. It's dark now, but I'm done with it. Belt on right there.